I'm Laolu Davies-Yemitan of Five Woods Realty. Today is Wednesday, March 18th. Want to provide you a quick real estate update. As many of you know, on Sunday, March 15th, Fed Chair Jerome Powell announced that interest rates were being dropped down to near 0%. What that means is banks are able to borrow their money from the Feds at near 0%. They in turn add a premium to that number, and that's the percentage interest rate they ultimately charge consumers. Because of the high demand for mortgage refinances at the moment, there's a backlog. And as a result, banks have been slow in reducing the rate that consumers are actually priced at for their mortgages. That said, is it a good time to refinance, buy, sell? The answer is it depends on the situation. It depends on what your current interest rate is. If you are in a high interest or high interest loan above, 4.5% or 5%, yes, this will be a good time to take a close look at that. In terms of buying or purchasing or selling of real estate, that depends on your local market. I think that in a lot of markets, it will be a good buying market just because the economies are likely to take a hit, especially in some of those areas where they rely heavily on tourism. In other markets, you could see a more stable market. So I definitely urge that you consult your local real estate expert and really try to get a keen sense of what's going on in the market. But that said, we're likely to see interest rates continue to decline over time for the consumers, and they're likely to stay low for a while. Again, I'm Laolu Davies-Yemitan. Thanks for listening. I'll be back with you soon with another update.